Alright, time to tear it down, start the build. Alright, we're gonna start painting, throw some primer on it. Alright, painting it red. Stripped the engine cover to bare metal and polished it. Took a long time to make it shiny. Use a vice grip to hold the old spindle down and an Allen wrench to get that spindle off. Use a hammer to tap it, and then the spindle will just pop off. Black Magic spindle 0.710. As you can see, it's really worn out, the old one, and the Black Magic is way bigger than the old spindle. Carbon fiber silencer. Clean up the wheel, remove the bearing, install the spindle, polish the brake caliper. Basically any metal part I could polish. The brake lever, polish that. Bought new brake cables, longer ones, and throttle cable, longer ones. Yeah, it took a long time to make that shine. Also got some red cable collars. And some handle grips, kind of looks like sword handles grips. And polished the stem as much as I can. Oh, that took a long time too. Alright, installing the motor, back wheel, front wheel. This is how I made my paint booth, DIY. I used the air filter from the house and a big blower to suck the air out. Install the stand, stem, and the stem, handlebars, handlebar grip. Put some duct tape because I use motorcycle handle grips, so it's kind of wide on the right side grip. So I polished the exhaust bracket, installed the exhaust. Also removed the plastic cover on the motor. Okay, installed the carbon silencer, handle grip end caps, installed engine kill switch, installed polished brake levers, installed the brake caliper, and gas tank installed. Can't wait to start it up.